What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do an install. Just changing the rear pads on the hellcat. 4-piston brembo brakes. Easy install. Easy to replace them. These two things right here, 2 pins. Just gonna knock those out. Clip come out, brake pads come out. Replace this stuff, the brake pads, and that's all. Tools you're gonna need is new brake pads. Something skinny like this. We'll be using this and a hammer to knock the pins out, and partial these two. That's pretty much it. Brake cleaner. Also this, you're gonna need one of these or something like this to push your pistons back in, because once you put one brake pad in, the piston probably gonna come out on the other side, so you just need it, and put a microfiber towel on top of it to push it in, but I'll show you in the video. Alright, so you can see these right here sticking out. This is what I mean when I say use this to push it in. Alright, so got the first one in. Take your bracket. I put grease on this too, just on the inside. So basically it's like this side go inside. Loop it around like that. You can see the push it. And when you put the second pin in, you're gonna push it at the same time. Make sure you push it behind the bolt. But that's the video. Hope that helps somebody out. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time. All right.